Are you tired of spending countless hours creating content? Well, get ready to unlock a whole new world of content creation with ChatGPT. It's not just the best AI out there, but when you supercharge it with the Plus version and dive into the ChatGPT plugin repository, it becomes an absolute game changer. Imagine reading an entire book in just 1 minute using the PDF plugin or cranking out hundreds of videos daily with the incredible CapCut plugin for ChatGPT. And that's just the tip of the iceberg, because there are countless other mind-blowing plugins waiting for you to explore. In this video, I'm about to reveal the secrets of harnessing the full power of ChatGPT with these mind-blowing plugins. Your content creation journey is about to take a quantum leap. Step 1. Configure ChatGPT account. Log into your account and go to Settings AMS Beta, select Future Beta, and enable the plugin feature. Then, choose New Chat, select GPT-4, and choose Plugin. Next, click the arrow button, scroll down, and select the plugin store. Please search for the plugin you want to install and then click Install. Step 2. Use plugins. After installing the plugin, you need to check the box next to this plugin to use it. If you want to see instructions on how to use a plugin, you just need to activate that plugin and ask ChatGPT how to use it. ChatGPT will provide detailed answers for you on the scenarios and how to use the plugin. Please check out our channel. We have many useful videos about plugins for ChatGPT. It will help you increase productivity by 10 times and save a lot of time and money. If you like our video, please press like, share, and subscribe to motivate us to create more valuable videos. Thank you very much.